Welcome to Keytours Vacations. In this video, you'll learn how to use our newest online marketing tool to help grow your business. To get started, you'll need to log in to your agent dashboard at keytours.com. Now, click on Sell Online to access the online marketing tools. Click the Booking Button tab at the top, then decide which option you'd like to create. Button for a small colored button, text for a simple text link, or card for a banner widget featuring a specific trip with an image, short description, and button. We'll start with button. Choose what you want your button to say, for example, book now or learn more. Then choose the color for your button. Then choose where you want your button to link to, the Keytours homepage, specials, or all tours. Or you can choose a text link. Choose what you want your text link to say, the color of the text, and again, where you would like the link to go. The last option is the card choice. Here you can decide what you want your button to say, then pick a tour from the drop-down menu. This is the tour that will be featured in your widget. For this example, we'll use the Andalusia and Toledo small group journey. Now you can see in the preview what it looks like. Now you want to choose whether you want to show the tour description or for just the tour highlights. So choose your option here. Now you can decide if you'd like your widget to have a border, and you can also choose a color for your booking button. Choose your custom color, and you can choose what you want your button label to say as well. Now you can choose between several sizes and shapes. As you click the different widget sizes, you'll be able to see a live preview, so you can choose which size and shape works best for your website. Now it's time to put the widget on your website. Click Copy to Clipboard. This will copy the HTML code. Now go to your website builder. Depending on which program you use to build and manage your website, the screen may look a little different than yours. But for every website builder, you'll have the option to add an HTML element. Add your HTML element, then paste in the code. The widget will appear, and you can make adjustments to the size and position from there. If you're having trouble with this step, we've included support links for some of the most common website builders. If you don't see yours, contact your provider's technical support. After the widget is in place, publish your page. Now you're done. You can see some different examples of different sizes and shapes of widgets. When a customer books a trip through one of your links, you'll automatically receive commission. To see the commissions that you've earned through this tool, go to the Sell Online menu and then click the See My Commissions tab.